x power 999 plus x power 888. Keep in mute, Nana. Keep in mute. Everyone should keep in mute. X power 999 plus x power 888 plus x power 777 plus so on. Nana, everyone should have book. Book undali మీ దగ్గర. ఓకేనా? పెన్ను బుక్ కంపల్సరీ ఉండాలి. +1 divided by x power 9 plus x power 8 plus x power 7 plus so on, x power 1 plus 1. Okay, what is the remainder when x power 999 plus x power 888 plus x power 777 plus so on, x power 111 plus 1 divided by x power 9 plus x power 8 plus so on, x power 1 plus 1. Do it now. చూడండి, చూస్తే చాలా వింతగా ఉంది. ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ యు నో ద డివిజన్స్. మీకు డివిజన్స్ తెలుసు. ఆ డివిజన్స్ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసే చేస్తాం ఇది. ఓకే, ద ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ షుడ్ నో ద division algorithm. Tell me anyone division algorithm. Division algorithm. What is it? Fx comma g of x are any two polynomials, then there exists a unique pair of polynomials q of x and r of x such that ఎలా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతాయన్నా f of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay, here definitely q of x and r of x are unique. One pair only should. Unique ante single pair exist అవుతుంది. And here r of x is nothing but a remainder. Either remainder 0 or degree of remainder is smaller than the degree of divisor. Here our divisor is g of x, and here g of x also should not take 0 because it is the divisor. Okay, this is the division algorithm. In division algorithm you should follow these things. R of x equal to 0, degree of r of x less than degree of gx. Means if suppose divisor is a quadratic polynomial, what is the expected remainder? Anyone?
Linear polynomial.
Yes,
or zero,
fantastic.
or constant.
Yes, maximum linear polynomial or constant or 0. Maximum degree is linear polynomial because here degree of r of x is smaller than the degree of g of x. If suppose g of x is a cubic polynomial, any cubic polynomial, what is our expected remainder? Definitely it is
quadratic polynomial
yes,
or linear polynomial.
yes. Maximum degree is quadratic. Whether it is quadratic or linear or constant or 0, will get it. Okay, this is the division algorithm. And again, in number theory you have learnt already. That is, if x power n x power n minus a power n. What is the factorization of this, Nana? X minus
minus
a into
x
what do
power
we
n
have?
minus
x
1
power
Yes,
n
fantastic.
minus
X
1
power n minus 1. So reduce the x
plus
power
x power n minus 2
power and y
and,
value get
and
it.
increase the a power.
Yes,
a power
increase the
increasing
a power increase and
X
this
power,
power is decreases. So
x power
like that we
decrease.
get x power n minus 1. So in fact these are the all formula, ఈ బేసిక్స్ అన్ని మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం ఆల్రెడీ. కాకపోతే ప్రాపర్గా యూజ్ చేయడం రావాలి మీకు. సో నౌ అవర్ ప్రాబ్లం అండ్ అగైన్ సమ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అండ్ లిటిల్ బిట్ ప్రాపర్టీ వీ కెన్ గెట్ హియర్. See now, 8 divided by 4, yes or no? And 4 divided by 2, then is 8 divided to?
yes sir
Definitely, because it
Yes, sir.
satisfies the
Yes, sir.
transitive property. This property we called as transitive property. This also helps us well. Now again, see, if P minus Q, if P minus Q is divided by P minus Q is the term, P minus Q divides Q, P minus Q divides Q, then
q minus p
is
divides
P
q
divides Q, is P divides Q. నేను అడిగేది P minus Q దేని డివైడ్ చేస్తుందంట? Qని డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. దెన్ ఈజ్ P డివైడ్స్ Q, ఈ Qని డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది అన్నాను. 100%?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because Q always divides Q. P minus Q divides Q. ఇట్ ఈస్ గివెన్. అంటే P మైనస్ Q కంపల్సరీ Qని డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది అన్నాడు. ఇక్కడ Q డివైడ్స్ Q కాబట్టి చచ్చినట్టు P ఆల్సో డివైడ్స్ Q, దెన్ ఓన్లీ P మైనస్ Q డివైడ్స్. ఎందుకంటే ఇందులో కూడా ఇది కూడా మనకి ఏం కావాలి? Q మల్టిపుల్ కావాలి. Q మల్టిపుల్ అయితేనే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? ఆర్ Q ఫ్యాక్టర్ అయినా కావాలి. దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ డివైడ్స్, అదర్వైజ్ కాంట్. ఓకే, so with the help of this a small technique we can do this problem. So let it be given problem, you take it as P. Given problem,
p equal to
what is our P, Nana? X power
power
999 plus x power 888
Plus x power triple eight
plus
plus
so on,
x power 777 so on,
111
x
plus.
power 1 x
Yes.
power 111 plus 1.
Take our Q value, x power 9 plus x power 8 plus so on,
X power
x
8 plus
power
so
1
on, x
plus
power 1
1.
plus 1.
From this, what do we do? Tell me, what do we do? P minus Q. Shall we do P minus Q? Yes, our
So
P
1
minus Q
cancel.
value is 1 cancel, P minus Q. Now you will get x power 999 minus x power 9.
x power 9
Avuna?
bracket
Again plus
plus
x power 888 minus x power 8.
X power 8
So on, last term
plus
x
1
power triple
x power triple 1 minus
power
x.
yes. Yes, fantastic. See now, from this we can take the common x power 9 in it. Now here you
Yes,
will get it. What do we get? Now x power 9 common తీస్తే ఇంకా x power 9990 minus 1. అవునా? సరిపోయిందా?
Yes, sir.
Plus
Yes, sir.
plus again here x power 8880,
X power triple
x power 8 you take out common, x 880 minus 1 plus so on.
plus
Here x power x you take out common.
X common
What do
x
we
double
get?
110 x power
X
double
double-
10
X power 11 minus
0
1.
minus 1.
Yes. Okay. It is your value. From this, what do we get, Nana? From this, here it is x power 9. Okay. And observe here.
X power 10
Now,
whole power
here,
99 minus 1.
listen. Just here we are taking. Here we are taking. This shall we write x power. This value shall we write x power 99 minus 1. X power 99 whole power 10 minus 1. X power 99 whole power 10.
Yes, sir.
So that's
Yes,
why
sir.
here
Yes,
here we'll get x power 10 minus 1 into something
X
this.
power-
Avuna? Din raitcha x
Sir.
power 10 minus 1 into something.
Yes, sir.
Next
sir.
here also we can write x power 10 x power 8 untadi. Next x power 10
10 minus 1.
minus
Minus
1 into something. Ala,
Something.
yes, here also x into x power
X into
10 minus
X power
1
10 minus 1
into something.
into something.
ఓకే, నాన్న రెస్పాండ్ అయిపోయాక వెంటనే మళ్ళీ మ్యూట్లోకి వచ్చేసేయండి. రెస్పాండ్ అయిన వెంటనే మళ్ళీ మ్యూట్లోకి వచ్చి అవసరమైనప్పుడు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, అబ్జర్వ్ ఇన్ ఆల్ వీ హ్యావ్ ద ఎక్స్ పవర్ 10 minus 1 ఆర్ నాట్. In
It's a
entire
common.
value we have x
Yes,
power
sir.
10 x power 10 minus
10
1
minus
we
1.
have, and
Into.
remaining into some constant, that k value is integer. Clear? Just entire value you have some powers, but its value
Yes,
is
sir.
one, that not necessary for us. Now from this is it divided by q or not? Tell me. Now this
Yes, sir.
divided by q or not, because here our x power 10 minus 1 value is, here our x power 10 minus 1 value is, we can write x power 10 minus 1
Sir,
value. How to write it, Nana?
It's divided.
Yes, x minus 1 into x power 9 plus x power 8
Plus
Plus,
X power 8 plus
x power 7 plus so
One.
on x plus 1.
X.
X
Clear?
plus 1.
This value. So that's why it is nothing but q.
Yes, sir.
So that's why this divided by q. Then what do we get, Nana, from here? We got it p minus q divided by q. Got it or not?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
P minus q divided by q. P minus q divided
Yes,
by
sir.
q, we got it. Here definitely we know p is divided by q is
Divides
divided
Q.
by q. Definitely, that's why definitely q divides p. అవునా? డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమో q తో డివైడ్ అవుతుంది. ఆల్రెడీ q తో డివైడ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి కన్ఫర్మ్ గా q డివైడ్స్ p. q డివైడ్స్ p అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిమైండర్, నాన్న? So our remainder is 0. Our remainder is 0. Okay,
0.
good. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We can do problems
Yes, sir.
like this with the help of simple properties. Thank you.